And to the table again, welcome guys. Today we have DEWALT manual stapler, which, as I told you last time with the Ryobi, I'm not a DEWALT hater. I have DEWALT tools as well. I like tools. And for some reason, this one I've had it for 7 years, I would say now. That has been extremely reliable. Just stapling anything you want to for mostly light duty, even up to heavy duty. It's made of really rigid material, some kind of heavy metal, I would say. This is some kind of really hard, high quality plastic. As you see, it's dirty because I really worked with it. This is plastic. I wish it was some kind of rubberized plastic, but I'm still happy with it. That's the belt clip. And in the other side, here's what it has. It doesn't really have a lot going on. The serial number or the model number here, if you want to pause and see it, it's DWHTTR 350. Here is the safety right here. You push the handle down and flip this back, and now it's ready to engage. And how do you feed the staples on it? Here's the clip on the bottom. You push this down, you pull the clip out, flip it upside down, and here are the staples, just regular DEWALT staples. You put it back inside there. You push the clip in like this without failure, like I did. And you are ready to go. Right now, this is quite dangerous, so use it properly and carefully. Do not drive it on your body, on someone else's body. And here I have just a pad with wood through it, which would be considered in upholstery one of the roughest things to have. And I'm gonna drive it on this just piece of wood, as you see here. Nothing fancy, just a thick piece of wood. And let's try to drive 2 or 3 of them, and you'll see yourself that this stapler is a great tool to have in your drawer. Boom, as you see right there, it went through the other side, as you see there. And let me try to drive it a little bit deeper. As you see right now, it's really, really deep there. So it's holding this whole platform. And if I put another one here, it's going to be next to impossible for me to take it out. Even though this is a shorter staple for what I'm doing right here. But just to show you that it drove through this piece of wood. And let me drive one just raw on the wood, and you'll see it yourself. This is our staple now. As you see, it drove it clean. And let's see from the profile, it's really flush. And to me, it is very important, as I said with the Ryobi brad nailer, when you drive that nail or that staple in, and it's flush with the wood, to me that's a good tool. If it doesn't drive it flush with a piece of wood or concrete, if you're driving concrete nails, if that nail is not flush, you have to extract it. You have to take it back. You're not doing a good job then. And for me, this DEWALT is very tiny, very nice, and very powerful. For what I do especially, it's very powerful. Right now it's on safety, so I can put it in my belt. And yes, I've had it for what, 7 years I would say now? And it's been extremely reliable. And yes, it was from Home Depot again, so if Home Depot is watching this video ever, guys, whatever you throw at me, I'll give you my raw, honest opinion. Anyway, I'm just joking on that part. And but I really like these tools, and I hope I provided some kind of idea of what this tool is about. If you ever seen it or you needed to buy one of these to repair that old chair that you had to put the pad back on it, this tool will do it. You don't need to waste money on any of those gimmicky other staplers that claim to be with, you know, cords and all that stuff. Just go for one of these and it'll do the job just perfect. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you next time. Click like and subscribe. Bye!